Look at that. Let me know how that looks.
Nice.
That's all I have to say. What do you reckon? I was going to make a video on it, of the fitment and removing the old one, but that turned out to be a nightmare. So I fitted it and showing you the final product, out with the old, in with the new. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know if I'm 100% happy with it, so I might have to order another carbon fiber tank cowl. Still in two minds. Let me know what you guys think. Keep it or change it. It does look a madness. What I'm going to do, get on the bike and I'll meet you out on the roads. What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me again. I've just come back from running a few errands. Carbon fiber, like I said before, it's cold. I'm trying to get back to the house before it gets even colder. So this is going to be a quick little vlog of me trying to make it back. The sun's out. I had to make the most of the Saturday. Come on. What is happening here? Don't have time for slow people. All of that in first gear. Core blimey. Oh, you're taking the piss. I'm trying to make the most of this weather before it goes down the pan. What's he pointing at? Oh. My hoodie strings keep hitting my helmet. It sounds 10 times louder in this lid. Don't know who that was. What is happening here? There's a lot happening. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of traffic. I'm gassed about this though. I've just showed my mates. Oh, one of them. Because I don't have very many friends. I'm Billy No Mates, which I am 100% cool with. He said it looks sick. That isn't verbatim, but more or less. Come on. Oh, what a penis. Come on, man. Have to let him know because he's looking around. Oh, let's put the heated grips on. What a dickhead. I've got a bike with heated grips and I'm not using it. What am I doing? Now, there we go. That whole time, wow, what a knob. I clearly do not know how to use this bike to its full potential. And the lights have turned. Watch this now. Make sure there's no cars. road is all brand new here, so I've got to be careful. Wait. Oh my god, the heated grips have kicked in. Wow. That's worth the money. Most definitely. What a retard. Oh my god, the heated grips are an absolute godsend. Winter riding, no longer an issue. As you've seen, all I'm wearing is a hoodie and a pair of jeans. Clearly not the best of outfit choices, but with the right winter wear and these heated grips, we have a winner. Come on. Oh, what a dickhead, man. I was gonna floor it. He's indicating left. Can I go? Yeah, I can. After the wash, for some reason the exhaust sounds a lot louder. It's still shit, I know. You don't need to tell me twice. But this exhaust process is exhausting. You see what I did there? They're taking the piss. Everyone's taking the piss. And I'm losing the will. And I'm past caring. Alright then, don't say hello. And I want to overtake, but it's not safe, so don't do it. Simple as that. Right people, I'm clearly back home. Thanks for joining me. Nice and easy. There we have Blanche with all the additional trinkets I've added on. Peace out.